Yes, everybody, look at this. Forte. See, look at, I made that polished aluminum. I used 60 grit sandpaper and Mother's Mag polish. It's really nice. And yes, I got me a custom shirt. RyanBassForLife. Let me see if I can show you the back of this shirt. Not sure if you can see this. Look at that. Pretty nice. I like it. We'll go over here. I go right over here. Oh yeah, let me just, yeah, there we go. I like it. Cool. I like the black, the gloss black look with the polished chrome. It's not all the way chrome, it's like a silverish chrome. Yeah, it's pretty much chrome. Yeah. I got these tires, rims, for under $300. $100 for all 4 rims. They're 20-inch aluminum rims. And for the Nexon tires, I paid $130, $70 to put all 4 tires on. It was exactly $300 to have all these installed. Look at this, everybody. Yeah. Did I get a good deal? You damn well better believe I did. That was a good deal, everybody. Facebook Marketplace. Yes, if you want a good deal, then you go check Facebook Market.